there's a thick spot right there. Watch the left side.
Come on, give it more! Keep the wheel straight and power through!
Stop at the line. Hold for scanning. Okay, you are clear to proceed to the next checkpoint.
Tanker 3, you are clear to the liquid zone. Forklifts, move in on the solid intake now. Keep the flow moving.
We transform animal waste into renewable electricity right here. Subscribe, Prodex Manufacturing.
The slurry is then moved into a high-capacity homogenization tank. right, easy now. Lift it up just a few more inches. Hold it there. Now bring it across to the staging area. Clear the bay. Move those pallets. All right, bring it to a stop right here.
Keep coming back slowly. All right, easy now, easy. And stop. Hold it right there.
Lower it slowly. Watch your clearance on the right. Okay, hold it there. Easy down. All right, it's clear.
Lowering now, easy on the descent. Okay, contact, hold it there, that's good. All clear, over.
Here is the manifest for the cow dung generator. Please sign at the bottom.
Okay, got it. Thanks.
All right, keep it steady. I'm going to release the ratchet now. Careful when it comes loose.
Slowly now, just like that. Keep coming down. Easy, easy. Okay, hold it there.
First, the organic material undergoes anaerobic digestion. Then, as I'm showing here, the resulting biogas powers the turbine directly.
That's perfect. Thank you.
Is that connection fully secured now?
Yes, just testing the tension before I close it up.
First, open the cover, then press this green button right here. It should start right up.
From the vibrant heights of the canopy, we plunge into the mysterious depths of the ocean, a world fueled by sustainable energy.